Removing a stuck battery on a power tool. First we need to protect the battery casing with some masking tape and wood shims. Use your imagination for some alternatives. You will find out shortly why I'm doing this. The shim protectors need to be placed on the opposite side of the battery release button. Hold in the battery release button and at the same time hit the end of the battery with the shims on a wall or a pavement edge. This battery was super jammed and it took a few blows before it would release. If you want a permanent fix, you need to open the battery casing and remove the battery module. The female terminals have spring clasps. They might be too tight or have become distorted due to misalignment with the male pins which are located on the adjoining power tool. Use a large straight-headed screwdriver and twist turn to open the jaws of each clasp to relieve some tension, but don't overdo it. The third terminal here is badly distorted. I straightened the twisted clasp with some thin nose pliers. Now that doesn't look too bad, so I can finally get back to doing some real work.
If the video was useful, please consider leaving a like or subscribing to my channel. Many thanks.